औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। मैं मौजूद हूँ क़ौमुल मुक़द्दस में और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरा बर्फ़ है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये देख सकते हैं आप। मैं उठाता हूँ अपने हाथ से, ये देखें, ये पूरा बर्फ़ है माशाल्लाह से। आप खा भी सकते हो उसको, आपको पसंद आए तो। अभी हम निकले हैं क्लास से, ये हमारी बाइक खड़ी हुई, मेरी बाइक देख सकते हैं हम। ये मेरे बाइक के ऊपर भी पूरा बर्फ़ आया हुआ है, देखें, ये पूरा मेरे बाइक के ऊपर पूरा बर्फ़ आया हुआ है और हम बर्फ़ को एंजॉय करें। खा भी सकते हैं आप बर्फ़ को। और अभी ब्लैक आउट हो गया रात के, अभी तकरीबन 9:30 बज रहे हैं और हर तरफ बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़ है। आप देख सकते हैं मेरे टोपी के ऊपर बर्फ़ है, मेरे कोट के ऊपर बर्फ़ है। हमारे इब्राहिम भाई इनकी बाइक स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये देखें। अभी ये भी बेचारे बहुत खदमत करते हैं यहाँ पर और माशाल्लाह से हम यहाँ मौजूद हैं। और अभी हम सोच रहे हैं हम जाएंगे ऐसे बर्फ़ से, लेकिन बर्फ़ का भी एक अलग मज़ा है, एक अलग मज़ा है। ये खुदा की कुदरत है। खुदा की कुदरत में तो हम हर मौसम पसंद है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से हर मौसम पसंद है। मैं आपको थोड़ा रोड का मारी दिखाता हूँ। रोड पे क्या है, अभी गवर्नमेंट ने यहाँ पर अभी मोटरसाइकिल और साइकिल वालों को बोल दिया कि आप लोग सफ़र ना करें। तो अभी जैसे आपको दिखाता हूँ, माशाल्लाह मैं आराम चल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा शूज़ मुझे पता नहीं कि शूज़ साथ देगा नहीं देगा। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ, ये देखें, हर तरफ सफ़ेदी ही सफ़ेदी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। मैं कल अभी मैंने प्रोग्राम किया था मैं तेहरान जाऊँगा, वहाँ पर बर्फ़ देखूँगा। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खुदा ने मेरी सुन ली और मुझे क़ौमुल मुक़द्दस में ही बर्फ़ दिखा दिया। मेरे पीछे आपको मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था, ये ज़मज़म का जो शॉपिंग मॉल है मेरे सामने पीछे मौजूद है और बर्फ़ का भी यहाँ पर। और मैं 6 साल में पहली दफ़ा मैं इतना बर्फ़ देखा हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो ये बर्फ़ का मंज़र। और यहाँ पर लाइट अभी ब्लैकआउट हुआ था, अभी मेरे ख्याल से कुछ एरियाओं की लाइट खोल दी गई है और शायद इस तरफ की लाइटें भी ऑफ हैं। तो मेंटेनेंस देख रहे होंगे वो लोग। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिजली है, बर्फ़बारी हो रही है, लाइट देखें। ये ईरान है, ये ईरान है, ये कोई आम बात नहीं है, ईरान है भाई ये। और माशाल्लाह से आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़, बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़, बर्फ़ ही बर्फ़। ओ माशाल्लाह, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, मुझे बर्फ़बारी पसंद है। लाइफ में मैंने पहली दफ़ा ये बर्फ़बारी देखी है, फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सीइंग, फर्स्ट टाइम इज़ द what I see I will show first time. If you listen from anywhere in the world, from America, the people of the America, you listening me, I know, but 50% viewers is from the America and the 30% from the India. I love all the viewers. They will see me on YouTube, on my Instagram, on my Facebook. I love him. I love all people. Inshallah, I make videos more. Inshallah, you see, this is a night time, 9 o'clock. It's not a daytime. It's the night, 9:30 p.m. But we will see like that. Is when I will see like the day, morning. It's not morning. It's the day. You see, on the car, it's all in cover with the ice. I'll show you. I'll show you on the car how much ice is outside. You see, it's all our ice. My mother-in-law, they are also enjoying. They have cover on the upstairs also, you see, but they have. I no have like this one. Mashallah, enjoying. The people of the Qom, they are also enjoying. I pray. Last 6 years, I pray the God. The prayer, God, give me the eyes and Qom. I listening before is 1 feet and like 2 feet ice is coming in the Qom, city of Iran. But last 5 years, 6 years, I will think have no ice. Like little bit they coming inside on the roadside. But today I see the many ice. You see on the car, it's covered with ice. Oh my God! I can't. I will eating the ice. I love the ice. I love the weather of the ice. I am very happy. You see, I am very happy. I will show you on the bonnet. You see how much ice is coming here. You see how much. The window is covered with the ice. You see I will show you how to. I will eat the ice. I love ice, you know. I love. I hate the hot weather, but it's my feeling. Not I hate the weather. I not feeling good in the hot weather, but I will be very happy on the ice, on the weather of the winter. I love winter, you know. I love winter. You see, my cover, my all the pillow, all my jacket covered with the ice, and my head. You see how much ice coming from the upstairs. You show me. You see, like this. Oh, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I am wearing the what to say? I don't know how. I forget the. You see me on the car. Ice. So I'll show you. This is not the daytime. This is the night time. 9:30 p.m. like this one. My brother-in-law also coming here with me. They stand with me. They say we are going with both of them going home. See, his wife is go from the in Pakistan for tabligh, and they will be alone here. Oh, it's the bad time for him. Wife is not here, so my sister is go in Pakistan in Karachi, and I'm with him, and I'm very enjoying. The people are home. They will be happy. The haram on the back side of me here. This is the parking of the west parking in the. You see here parking Sharqi. Have the this is the parking Sharqi of the haram, and the people can enjoying. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. My vlog is going to the 7 minutes. I am very happy. My happy. Oh, the eyes. Oh, the eyes. I will see the eyes. You see, my eyes. I say him to my brother-in-law, throw some ice on me. You know, I love the ice. You know, they when throw me ice. Oh, you see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the ice. Alhamdulillah. 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 This is the roadside. You see, the people are going on home. They come from the Tehran. It's the main road, main highway is from here. Imam Ali is the back side of me. They come from here, Tehran to here, going to home, like Sharak Ahmadiyya, like Boulevard Amin. The road is going to Boulevard Amin. You see, all the road is covered from the ice, you know. You see on the road side also, the car is going. I'm, alhamdulillah, enjoying on the ice. You see the back side of the bonnet have the ice, so much ice. Oh my God, so much ice on the comb. First time I am seeing the ice, you know. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Inshallah, I will show the next video. First, I will show you the Noha of beef Hamazera on the ice. But the ice is not so much high. There's little bit high. But now, do you see? My brother-in-law also eating the ice. I also eat the ice. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. We sleep on the ice, and I'm enjoying on the ice. Oh my God, it's the snow falling. Oh, I forget the words. Snow falling. Snow falling is on the hair. My video is going to so much enjoying. You know, I don't want to stop this video, this vlog. I first time in winter. You saw me. Oh my God, I will be sleeping on the ice, and I like the ice, you know. My God, my God, oh my God, I am very happy with the ice. I love the ice. First time in my life I will see the ice, you know. First time in my life I will see the real snow falling. First time. I'm visiting many countries, but I never see the ice. And my homeland, my Gilgit Baltistan, I also have ice in 6 months like this one. But I'm not going. I went in the summer. I don't went from the winter time because they have 2 feet from the 6 feet as ice coming. But now, alhamdulillah, I think this one is not 1 feet. Now I think they have the half feet. I don't know, a half feet I have or no, but have too much ice. I'm coming from my class. In the back side is my class, the Jama Rohani Baltistan. It back side, and my Husainiya Baltistan on the back side of me. You see the back side is my class also going inside. Then I will be come outside from the class. Then I will show here the ice too much. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Inshallah, I make more videos on ice. You see. Oh my God, so much ice, so much ice, so much ice. Alhamdulillah, 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 Alhamdulillah. I will show you in the next video with the ice, and I eating the ice. I love the ice. Inshallah, I will show the more videos from the comb. Subscribe my channel Sikandar Karbalai official from the YouTube, and on Facebook Sikandar Karbalai. On the Instagram, you follow me on the Instagram at the Red Karbalai, and you follow me on the Twitter also Baltistani 92, and you also see me on the TikTok also. Inshallah, now in Iran TikTok is banned, and inshallah I will be making how to the TikTok is working in Iran. Inshallah, I will be show you. Or also I mean in TikTok, and I will see my vlogs, my workings in here, what I doing, where I going. I show you all the place, all the vlogs. Inshallah. Iltamas dua ya Ali Madad Qumul Muqaddas Sikandar Karbalai with my brother-in-law Sayyid Abid Hussain Al Hussaini. Allah Hafiz.